Good. Can you say hi?
Hello.
Can you be a little more polite?
Yes, sweetheart.
Would you like to introduce yourself?
Hi, sir.
Are you famous?
Star.
What keeps you safe?
Apple.
Good. Are you a pirate? Can you blow a kiss? Can you toot? That's gross. All right, how about some animal sounds? Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster? Can you do a horse? Good. How about a pig that needs to go on a diet? How about your best friend, the skunk?
Stinker.
Stinker. Can you fall down? Did that hurt?
Ow, ow, ow.
Cry like a baby?
Quack, quack, quack.
Can you do a cat?
Meow.
How about a dog? Can you bark? Good. About a big cat from the jungle? Can you fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Gonna make everyone scream. That sounds evil. Can you do water? How about a knock at the door? Can you help me start the car? What'd you do for a peanut? Good. Can you get down? Can you sing? How about some opera? Figaro? Good. Can you sing in the shower? Good. Yeah. Bow, 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 bow.
Bow, 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 bow.
Good. And that also kind of sounds like Rocky Top. Bow, 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 bow.
Bow, bow, bow.
Good. Do you happy birthday?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Good job. How about a fiesta? Good. Einstein, are we in trouble? Good. How about your new laugh? Is it hysterical? Is it dusty? Good. Good. The most annoying sound in the world. Ah! Ah! Good. Good. Would you like to ride the roller coaster? It's a blast. Good. Is it hard work? Yeah. Can you work out? Good.
You do it. What are you doing?
Good. Whisper. Whisper. Good. Whoa. 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 Scary ghost. Ah. Whoa. Whoa. You do a scary ghost. Einstein, can you help me call the dogs?
Come here, come here, come here.
Good. Can you blow me a kiss? And what would you like to say to all the nice people? Good. What do you say it's time to go?
Bye.